all of the major scales. We have 12 major scales, right? Let's see if we can organize them. It's called the circle of fifths. If we look at the fifth scale degree, we concentrate on the fifth scale degree of C. What are we concentrating on? G, right? So if I go C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to G, now I'm going to start a major scale on G. G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G. Fifth scale degree from C is G, and we went up to G, and we added the F sharp and got rid of the F natural. G, A, B, C, D. Now, if I start on D and I go whole step, half step, D, E, F sharp, still there, G, A, B, C sharp, D. Do you think that if we go from D up to the fifth scale degree, we're just going to add another sharp? You're right, because we are. Nothing in C, and then in G we had F sharp, and then in D we had F sharp, C sharp, right? And now in A we have F sharp, C sharp, G sharp. This is the circle of fifths. That's actually what's taking place here. Circle of fifths, I'll put it up. If we follow it all the way around, the outer ring of the circle of fifths is starting at the top, you have C, right? And then you go to, I guess you could call it 1 o'clock, and there's G, up a fifth. And then you could go to 2 o'clock, which would be D, and then 3 o'clock is A. If you continue all the way around the circle of fifths, all the way, let's just stop at F sharp on the bottom for now. Stop at F sharp on the bottom. If you continue around, every single time you go 1 hour, I guess, on the clock, clockwise, you're going to add a sharp. If I go from C up to G, that's the fifth scale degree, right? What if I went from C down to G? It's a fourth, right? Which is kind of weird. So if I'm going to invert that, I'm going down a fourth. Or you could think of it as now, in this case, because G is on the bottom, you could be thinking of it as G up to C, right? So that's a fourth. Actually, if I go up a fourth from G, it becomes C. If I go up a fourth from C, it becomes F. Up a fourth from C becomes F, right? So look at where that is at 11 o'clock on the clock. F is 11 o'clock. So technically speaking, if you're going clockwise in the circle of fifths, you're going a circle of fifth. If you're going counterclockwise, it's really called the circle of fourths. Right? So clockwise is called the circle of fifths. Counterclockwise is called the circle of fourths. So you may have heard that before, a circle of fifths, and didn't know what the circle of fourths was and how different it is. It's not any different. You're just going in the other direction.